Alright, good evening everyone. Let's go partner for the one opening up the door together with Johnny Kids with the money and of course our celebrant Princess Amira for the one opening. Today we are celebrating birthday party Amira here at Jollibee Medical Commonwealth. I'm a part of the whole time to earn the DDR and to cheers. Welcome to Birthday Party. Come and be part. Enter everyone. Pasok sa mundo ng Pilipinas. Kasabay ng pagpasok ng mga Johnny Kids, everybody all stand up. Tayo po tayo lahat. Yeah. Everybody please stand up. Tayo tayo lahat. Tayo tayo lahat. And this time, tonight's celebration to allow to present the celebrant here at Jollibee Medical Commonwealth together with Ate Artie and the mommy. And of course, for our celebrant, once again, welcome natin, Princess Amira. Wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. Tonight, our celebration here at Jollibee Medical Commonwealth, our birthday party, Princess here at Jollibee, the birthday party. After that, natin, Princess Amira. You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes. Yes, at dahil po na sa kanyang trono ang ating prinsesa. Tonight, sabay-sabay natin kantahan si Amira na masaya, malakas na happy birthday with the music.
Our spots in rough skin around sensitive.
Alright, everybody, sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Mas masaya, mas masigla! Ready!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, so sabay natin sabihin si Amira na masayang malakas na happy birthday Amira at at count of 3. 1, 2, 3, shout!